Okay, this is the humidity chamber. So we turn on the machine. So we go to fixed test. First we set the temperature, our desired temperature, 55, enter. Then we set the humidity, let's say I want to set it to 70. Press enter, and then I press set. Okay, to set the time set, our desired time range to do the test. Example, if let's say I want to set it to 4 days, so I will set it to 96 hours for 00 and enter. We can even set in minutes. So we go back. After we done the setting, we simply press start button and yes. So the machine will be start operation. Okay, we have another function which is called program test. Press this button and we press set. So if let's say I want to running temperature for 30 degrees Celsius, I press enter, and humidity 75, press enter. And I want to run this term and conditions in 1 hour's operation, I just press 1. Okay, after 1 hours, I want to run for the other terms, which is 35 degrees Celsius and 80 humidity range, and I want to run for 1 hour as well. I press enter. So I run for 2 segments, 01 and 02. However, we can even set up to 100 maximum of segment we can set. So we now just set up to 2. And this program which is called cycle. So if let's say I want to run for 2 cycles, so that means running for 2 hours and go for another cycle will be another 2 hours. Okay, so I will just simply back to here and I press start. Okay, as you can see, running time, start calculating. Segment 1, segment numbers, total numbers got 2. Okay, cycle got 2. And we can even have a graph view on this screen. You can zoom it, reduce it, or after finish the test, we can even export to our USB port and save the data in our computer.